wankest thing I've ever done.
Put that in your mouth.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Average Garage. In this episode, we've stripped the front of the Falcon. So to find out how we got here, keep watching. It's all there. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you soon. This was sold to me as a rust-free vehicle.
They must have missed a bit.
So today's episode, we're continuing on with the Falcon rebuild, which is now turning into a restoration. So at the moment, we're going to drop the K-frame. We're going to get all the front suspension off. So we're going to start by removing the spline for the steering shaft here. So I'm going to mark it with a paint pen so I know roughly where it sits. We're going to remove the sway bar, and then we can start undoing all the bolts for the suspension up top. So we're going to take the upper control arms out with the K-frame assembly. And undo the top of the struts so it all should fall down nicely, hopefully not on me. And then from there, we're gonna raise the car back up, start cleaning up the bay, and then we can start ripping off the fuel and brake lines. Working our way back, we're just gonna keep removing stuff until the car is a bare shell and we can undercoat the whole thing. So stay with us and let's get to it.
Mad.
Woo! Right, now we can lower it down, undo all the suspension, undo the K-frame, drop it on the ground.
Sounds good.
Which means I need to find a spot for this bumper. But I'll also put this back before I lose it. Why do I even do this, Chris? Why do I even play mechanics? So for anybody wondering, on the E-Series, don't know about all of them, but on my EL, the fuel hose with the white marks and white clips is the return line, and the fuel hose or the fuel lines with the black clips has no white markers, whereas the white one does, is the feed line. So that's the one that goes to your filter up to the injector rail. Holy shit, it worked.
Probably after the motor.
Yeah. Close enough. Nolithane, boys. Yeah, Nolithane's such a thing of the 90s, man. Look at that. Crumbly goodness. For science?
You should probably come and eat a bit. Oh, you actually put that in your mouth.
Ah. Woo! Disgusting. That's the rankest thing I've ever done.
Put that in your mouth.
That's seen like CT18 and WD-40 and Rusty Water and...
That's all that you've done.
Got it. Bring it up. Question is who's catching this when it falls out? Alright. Even more of a top tip, probably should have undone the other brake line first. See, this works better than any pipe spinner. Slotty boy. Can you pull... Ah, oh, hang on. Oh, it's like I'm getting brake fluid everywhere.
I love how you're getting brake fluid.
No, that's water. So that's even better. How you going, everybody? Welcome back. So you've just seen me rip out all of the inside of the front. So the K-frame's down, which is down there on the ground. Steering rack's off, all the other stuff is done. Now I've bagged it all up so I hopefully won't lose it, because I'm gonna send a lot of stuff off for zinc coating at some point. So make it all nice and shiny and make it so it won't rust again, because I would paint the bolts, but as soon as you paint them, as soon as you hit them with the rattle gun or any type of ratchet, they just scratch and they look horrible. So I'm going to send them all off for zinc coating. Hopefully I won't lose any and that won't be a massive headache. So fingers crossed. Anyways, I just thought I'd put a quick update as well. I have started a Patreon account to help pay for the project. I do still work full time. I don't make any money from YouTube yet. So every little bit of money that goes into this project helps. That's where all the merch money goes, which mind you isn't a lot. So yeah, any dollars helps out. If you want to donate, just hit me up in a PM. But I don't expect anybody to jump on it. I just thought I'd put it out there as an option for anybody who would like to support the channel. You will get behind the scenes footage. You will get early access to every video as soon as it's edited, not up on the YouTube schedule. So if you feel like supporting the channel, head over there, check it out. If you don't, I'm not going to hold you to it. It's just for those who want to help out, really. If you would like to support the channel by getting a hoodie, get in touch with me on Instagram or Facebook and we'll sort it out. Other than that, yeah, last little update for this episode. The front's all stripped down, everything's put away and ready to go. Next episode we'll be moving on to the rear and dropping all the rear down, and then the next episode after that we'll undercoat the whole car. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your mates. Yeah, you know, the usual just stuff. I'm just trying to do what I can do, really. So I won't lie, motivation's pretty low at the moment. So I chucked some music on and that really helped. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you all in the next video.